Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson again. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about 13 brain exercises to help keep you mentally sharp. So if you like the video related to manifest power, I would like to request you all please do like or subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin, let's go. Now here are the 13 brain exercises to help keep you mentally sharp. The brain is involved in everything we do, and like any other part of the body, it needs to be cared for too. Exercising the brain to improve memory, focus, or daily functionality is a top priority for many people, especially as they get older. That said, people of all ages can benefit from incorporating a few simple brain exercises into their daily life, which we'll explore in more detail in this video. The brain exercises. Research has shown that there are many ways you can hone your mental sharpness and help your brain stay healthy. No matter what age you are, doing certain brain exercise to help boost your memory, concentration, and focus can make daily tasks quicker and easier to do and keep your brain sharp as you get older. Let's take a deeper dive into 13 evidence-based exercises that offer the best brain boosting benefit. The first one, have fun with a jigsaw puzzle. Whether you are putting together a 1,000-piece image of the Eiffel Tower or joining 100 pieces to make Mickey Mouse, working on a jigsaw puzzle is an excellent way to strengthen your brain. Research trusted source has shown that doing jigsaw puzzle recruits multiple cognitive abilities and is a protective factor for visual, partial, cognitive aging. In other words, when putting together a jigsaw puzzle, you have to look at different pieces and figure out where they fit within the larger picture. This can be a great way to challenge and exercise your brain. Then it comes to the second part. Try your hand at cards. When the last time you played a game of cards? Researchers who conducted a study in 2019 trusted source on mentally stimulating activities or for adults says a quick card game can lead to greater brain volume in several regions of the brain. The same study also found that a game of cards could improve memory and thinking skills. Try learning one of these tried and true card games: solitaire, bridge, gin rummy, poker hard, crazy eights. Then it comes to the third part. Build your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary has a way of making you sound smart. But did you know you can also turn a quick vocab lesson into a stimulating brain game? Research shows that many more regions of the brain are involved in vocabulary tasks, particularly in areas that are important for visual and auditory processing. To test this theory, try this cognitive boosting activity. Keep a notebook with you when you read. Write down one unfamiliar word, then look up the definition. Try to use that word 5 times the next day. Then it comes to the fourth part. Dance your heart out. The Centers for Disease Prevention and Control trusted source notes that learning new dance move can increase your brain processing speed and memory. In other words, but burst your move on the dance floor and your brain will thank you. Want to test it out? Give one of these dance activities a try. Take a salsa, tap, hip hop, or contemporary dance class. Try a Zumba or jazz exercise class. Watch an online video with fun dance moves. Always wanted to learn? Grab a partner and learn to ballroom or a ballroom dance. Gather your friends and go line dancing. Then it comes to the fifth part. Use all your senses. A 2019 research report trusted source suggests that using all your senses may help strengthen your brain. To give your sense and your brain a workout, try doing activities that simultaneously engage all 5 of your senses. You could try baking a batch of cookies, visiting a farmer's market, or trying a new restaurant while you focus on smelling, touching, tasting, seeing, and hearing all at the same time. Then it comes to learn a new skill. Learning a new skill is not only a fun and interesting, but it may also help us strengthen the connections in your brain. Research from 2015 trusted source also shows that learning a new skill can help improve memory function in older adults. Is there something you have always wanted to learn how to do? Perhaps you would like to know how to repair your car, use a particular software program, or ride a horse. Have one more good reason to learn that new skill. Then it comes to the seventh part. Teach a new skill to someone else. One of the best ways to expand your learning is to teach a skill to another person. After you learn a new skill, you need to practice it. Teaching it to someone else requires you to explain the concept and correct any mistakes you make. For example, learn to swing a golf club, then teach the steps to a friend. Then it comes to the eighth part. Listen to or play music. Do you want an easy way to increase your creative brain power? The answer may lie in turning on some music. According to a 2017 study, process shows listening to happy tunes help generate more innovative solutions compared to being in silence, which means cranking up some feel good music can help boost your creative thinking and brain power. And if you want to learn how to play music, now is a great time to start because your brain is capable of learning new skills at any point in your life. That's why you are never too old to start playing an instrument like the piano, guitar, or even the drums. Then it comes to ninth part. Take a new route. Don't get stuck in a route when it comes to a daily task. Instead, be willing to try new ways to do that same things. Choose a different route to get to work each week or try a different mode of transport like biking or using public transport instead of driving. Your brain can benefit from this simple change and you might be surprised by how easy it is to change your thinking. Then it comes to meditate. Daily meditation can calm your body, slow your breathing, and reduce stress and anxiety. But did you know that it may also help fine tune your memory and increase your brain ability to process information? Trust a source. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and spend 5 minutes meditating each day. Now, the 11th part. Learn a new language. A 2012 review of research trusted source has overwhelmingly proven that many cognitive benefits of being able to speak more than one language. According to numerous studies, bilingualism can contribute to better memory, improved visual spatial skills, and higher level of creativity. Being fluent in more than one language may also help you switch more easily between different tasks and delay the onset of age-related mental decline. The good news is that it's never too late to reap the rewards of learning a new language. According to researchers, you can boost your memory and improve other mental functions by becoming a student of a new language at any time in your life. Then it comes to the 12th part. Take up Tai Chi or a Tai Chi. It's not secret that Tai Chi can benefit your health in many ways, including your mental health. Plus, it can also help center you when life seems out of balance. Taking up a regular practice of Tai Chi can help reduce stress, enhance sleep quality, and improve memory. A 2013 trusted source found that long-term Tai Chi practice could induce structural changes in the brain, resulting in an increase in brain volume. Beginners do best by taking a class to learn the different movement, but once you know the basic, you can practice Tai Chi anywhere, anytime. Then it comes to the 13th part. Focus on another person. Next time you interact with someone, take note of 4 things about them. Maybe you observe the color of their shirt or pant. Are they wearing glasses? Do they have a hat on? And if so, what kind of hat? What color is their hair? Once you decide on 4 things to remember, make a mental note and come back to it later in the day. Write down that. Write down what you remember about those 4 details. The bottom line is focusing on your brain health is one of the best things you can do to improve your concentration, focus, memory, and mental agility no matter what age you are. By incorporating brain exercise into your everyday life, you will get to challenge your mind, sharpen your cognitive skills, and possibly learn something new and enriching along the way too. That's all about the manifest power in this video. I hope you all liked it. I will definitely come with the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.